Hi, I'm Monica. I'm going to be walking the Camino Frances from September the 6th until October the 11th this year. I'm a registered massage therapist here in Canada, and I specialize in clinical work, injury treatment, and chronic pain management. There have been quite a few posts lately about Camigas suffering from shin splints and other lower leg ailments. And I just wanted to share with you some tips on how you can massage your own legs to either prevent the onset of shin splints and debilitating lower leg pain, or to nip it in the bud and try to make your Camino as healthy and as comfortable as possible. So I'm just going to perform a little bit of massage on my own leg. I'm going to use oil, but you can very easily do this in the shower using soap and water. The tip to doing a good massage for shin splints is to be fairly aggressive with the actual massage that you use. Shin splints is typically caused by excessive tension on your shin bone, and that's from all of the muscles pulling on the bone itself. The various muscles in the leg like to stick to each other when they've been overexerted. It's part of the inflammatory process. So what you want to do is break down all of the tissues so that they don't stick to each other. So right now I'll just get my oil and I'll just give you a quick demo of how I would treat my own legs. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to show the main muscles that we're talking about here. The first one, and here I can just raise it, it runs along the shin bone here, roughly to about there. You can see its tendon, and then it comes up here. Okay, so this one likes to stick to another muscle that's located on the side of the leg here that basically starts from this knobbly bone here. That's the head of the fibula, and it runs down here, behind the ankle, and then under the arch of the foot. Okay, so sometimes when the arch of your foot is really, really tight, it can cause pain here and vice versa. And this muscle here on the side likes to stick to your calf muscle at the back here as well. So what we're trying to do is loosen up this whole area. So with oil, if you have any, and you can use olive oil or sunflower oil or anything, or again, just soap and water when you're in the shower, I would start by digging in generally into the muscle itself. I like to use my thumbs, although you want to make sure that your thumb is straight and your hand is at an angle, not at an angle like that, so that you're going to lessen the amount of tension that you put on your thumb. And you're going to just sort of strip the muscle down right to the ankle, and you're going to be fairly aggressive with it. If you find some points that are really, really painful, you're going to go really slowly over them. You're going to press fairly deeply, but you don't want to do anything that's going to cause you a lot of pain at this point, because that's just going to make you miserable. So you just keep massaging, and you can go slow. If there's points that are really sticky, you can be more aggressive, like that. You can also use fingers 2 and 3 like that, straight, and dig in like that. Then I like to go into the muscle on the side of the leg, massage that all the way down, go behind the ankle, and you can usually feel that it hurts a little bit when you find the junction between this muscle on the side of the leg and your calf, because again, it really likes to stick. So you can be fairly aggressive with that. And then you can also go to the other side of your calf. So again, you want to get everything that's attaching to the bone. So you want to slide your thumbs right along the bone like that. Again, you want to be fairly aggressive. You also want to get into your Achilles tendon, okay, because this can cause a lot of problems. If your calves are really tight, your Achilles tendon likes to stick to the surrounding tissues as well. And you can just do what we call frictioning along the tendon on both sides. And then you can just sort of run your fingers like this. Those of you who have massage balls with you can use the massage ball to roll on the bottom of your foot in your arch there. You can also just bring your foot to the side like that. And again, go fairly deeply, not too painfully though. Be careful with that. You don't want to bruise yourself into your arch and get the tendon that for the muscle that's going alongside of your foot, and it attaches right here. So you want to get that. Okay, and then what I would do after this is I would just do a yoga pose, put your legs up against the wall, lying down, and just rest your legs for about 10 minutes. Just allow all the blood to move back to your heart. It's just a really nice, relaxing way of taking care of your body after a long day's hike. Thanks very much for watching.